Okay, well, we've got the Bafang motor sitting up on the trike. We're going to grab it real quick and show you a couple things. First of all, I went ahead and put the front crank on. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts right there. And that's what how it went together. Then you take the motor and you slide it on here, like so. Voila. Now, one of the things you're going to want that I do not have is the torque bar. There's a little torque mechanism bar that goes on here, and you're going to want that. And without it, things just aren't going to work right. Well, hopefully I'll get this thing to work right. But one thing at a time, huh? One thing at a time. So, what did I just do with my little kit of screw parts here? Oh, great. Once you know it, I put something down and forget where the heck I put it. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is put this little bracket on here. This bracket has to go a certain way because there's a screw hole clearance on this side. Okay? I'm only going to put stuff finger tight simply because I don't have that torque bracket and I need that, and I think that's got to go on first. Not really sure, but I do know that it's got to go on here somewhere, and it's up to me to figure out where and when. Okay, so is this the right one? I don't know. I don't know if that's going in right or not. Okay, these are going in a little tough. It's probably because they've got paint on them. At least that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's got to be what it is. Okay, yep, that's what it is. They're coated, so they're a little bit hard to go in. Let's see, this is a 5mm socket. Let's see if I got a 5mm in here. I know I do somewhere. 5.5. Oh, there's the 5. There's my 5. Wonder if I can get that in there. That would make doing this a lot easier. Well, yeah. The torque bracket is also going to position this motor, if it's done right, exactly where you want it, which is right here in front. Okay, and I may have a clearance problem that I'm going to have to deal with here. Nope. No clearance problem. Just me. Okay, cool. Alright. So, the next thing I want to do, after I do all this, is put this one on. Okay, Then we put the cover on. And the cover actually goes over, as you can see, it's actually going over. It's actually going over the one. So there we go. We now have our motor on, and you can see some of the connectors here that we're going to need to do. It gives you an idea of what different lengths of extra cabling you're going to need. Whew. And I gotta tell you, bending over like that, working on that thing is one pain. Alright, let's take a break here.